so. In the morning, John Star.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So we're gonna add 1.5 cup of water, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 cup of that steel cut oats, and then we're gonna allow that to cook for about 10 minutes on medium high. Now this is what the oats should look like after 10 minutes. Now we're going to decrease our heat to medium, and look how nice and thick that looks. Now we're going to add coconut milk, 1/4 cup of that coconut milk, then almond milk, any milk of your choice. We're going to add a cup. Give that a mix to incorporate everything. Gonna allow that to cook on medium heat for another 5 minutes. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the thing, click the bell, is it? Yeah man, now we're just gonna stir to ensure that it's not sticking. We're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of rose water, give it that nice flavor, you know where I found from. And then we're going to sweeten the taste with 1.5 tablespoon of condensed milk. Let that sit for about 2 more minutes, and then we should be golden. Look at that, beautiful, nice, creamy and thick porridge. Now we're just gonna top that off with some blueberries and of course banana for the win. And there you have it, my people, how to make your steel cut oats here on Morris Time Cooking It. Beautiful, nothing no nice. So in the morning, John Star.
I swear, I thought I would have gotten bored of this porridge by now. But every day I do something different to it. Different fruits, different milk. I don't use almond milk in my porridge. Sometimes I use vanilla, the vanilla flavored almond. You know what I'm saying? All different type of thing. Sometimes I put vanilla in there, sometimes I don't. Today, I didn't put any vanilla extract in this one. You see me? Because I use the vanilla flavored almond milk, so I didn't need to use any vanilla in this. Yeah man.
See another dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you, so that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.